Welcome to the Archive of the Indigenous Languages of Latin America. As a registered user, you can be granted different permissions and roles to access content on the site. By default, after logging in, you will have the user status, which allows you to view and download unrestricted media content. However, there are additional user statuses with special permissions. These are only granted by AILLA or collection owners, enabling users to perform specific functions. Viewers can access restricted objects, which may be a collection, folder, or set. Editors can edit metadata and add folders, sets, or media files. This role also applies at the collection, folder, or set level. Owners have the most extensive permissions. They can add or remove owners, editors, and viewers, edit, add, or delete folders, sets, and files and publish collections. This role applies to the entire collection. You can check if you have special permissions. Click the purple user icon in the upper right corner. Click on Permissions. Here, you will see any object-level permissions linked to your account, and the user role column will display your current role. If nothing is listed here, then you do not have any special permissions. Thank you for using the Archive of the Indigenous Languages of Latin America repository. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out to us at AILLA@ailla.utexas.org.